Installing Miletus on Windows is very easy. TMS provides a guided installation. Simply navigate to miletus.org and click Download Now. There you find the different packages for the different operating systems. Now simply select Windows and the download will start automatically. Everything is wrapped in a zip archive. Here in this case I simply need to double click. Inside of the archive I find the guided installation installer. I double click and the installation starts automatically. From now it's very easy. I click Next. I select the destination directory. I'm not going to select the default. I'm going to install into a different directory. Click Next. The next step is important. If you want to start Miletus Packager from anywhere on your system, add it to the path variable. This means it's recommended to leave this checked. After clicking Next, I click Install and the installation starts. That's it. Installation is complete. I click Finish. And now for a final test if it works. Pick the shell that you have installed in Windows. It's a simple command line in my case. I type Miletus Packager -v, and this results in the Miletus Packager answering with its version number. Installation is successful indeed.